When we sliding across a rug, reaching for a doorknob, and zap, a tiny spark leaps from your fingertips. That spark is static electricity in action. But what exactly is it? Static electricity is the buildup of electric charge on an object's surface. It happens when certain materials rub together, causing electrons, tiny particles with negative charges, to move from one object to another. This movement leaves one object positively charged and the other negatively charged. Ever rubbed a balloon against your hair and watched your hair stand on end? That's because the balloon steals electrons, making your hair charged and repelling each strand away from the others. Or maybe you felt a shock touching metal after shuffling your feet on carpet. The charges jump suddenly, creating a small spark. Static electricity isn't just a quirky trick, it's everywhere. It powers the crackle of lightning and thunderclouds, helps printers transfer ink to paper, and can even make dust cling to your screen. Next time you spot a spark or see hair fly after a balloon, you're witnessing the invisible forces of static electricity. It's a reminder that even the tiniest charges can make everyday moments electric.